This is a look at some of the results I was able to achieve in trading without any paid courses. And I really don't mean to look like a guru, but I needed to get your attention because you may see those results and ask,
wow, how could I get those same results?
and it is possible, trust me. But the answer isn't a course or a mentorship or any of that shit. I learned everything I needed to know to get those same results for free right here on YouTube. But there's a problem with that method these days. See, when I started trading about 9 years ago, there were only a fraction of people making content about trading. Now that figure has exploded. I'm even one of those people. Long story short, there is a lot of bullshit out there. However, I present to you the solution to your problems, and it's right here on screen now. But it's only for those of you who are serious about becoming profitable traders. If you can't sit through a 4 to 6 minute video where I don't sell you any courses, any mentorships, I don't even ask for your email, then please just click away from this channel. But if you're ready to make a change, then watch this video, then the next one to follow. I made a sequence of free content just for you because you're so beautiful. I love you. Good luck.